Welcome guys, it's a pleasure having you once again in this course, and I'd like to congratulate you for making it to the end of this first part. Now this is the last video on registration. You have shown so much resilience, and I bet you your resilience is going to pay off in your business. Alright, so this video we are going to show you the approval we got. It's an awesome thing, wonderful. We got approval and we just did it very simple. So I'm hoping that if you did everything right, you have also gotten your approval by now. But if you don't, you can reach out to us. Our email is on the screen right now, and we can assist you one way or the other and make sure you get the approval, and also put you through certain areas that you are still having difficulties. But I hope and I sincerely believe that this video is clear enough for you to have everything that you need. So I'm going to show you our approval and show you how to go about downloading your certificate so that you won't get to be paying extra money on subsequent downloads. Alright, so without wasting your time, let's get into the video and let's get it done. So I'm in on my dashboard now, and you can see here we have one business registered. That's a big success. Alright, so I'm going to click on the registered business, and you can see the name here, Primer Logic Systems. Okay, so a quick look at what is written here shows that you need to download this certificate within 7 days of it being approved. If not, certain fees will start applying. So you can see if you read it for yourself. So that means we need to do a good job here by downloading, and not just downloading, we need to keep it in a safe place so that we don't have to be looking for it subsequently. So I'll take you through the steps on how to download it. Very easy. So you can see the name, the day we started it, you can see the day we submitted it, and you can see when it was approved. So you can see it didn't take that long, just a few weeks, and that's because I was too busy and I didn't just get to come and do this video. Alright guys, so I'll click on this download documents because that's where we have to download it. So let's see what happens. I'll click on download. Now this is it. This is what has come up. It's showing two documents. One is status report and one is the certificate. So I'm going to start off by downloading the status report. Now this contains the information of the proprietors, all the business details, in fact all the forms you filled, the summary of the forms you filled, the information you provided is here in this document. And believe me, you will need this document when you want to open a bank account. It's always needed, so you also have to keep it safe, and at the right time you print it out. Right, so you can see the what we call network is not really okay. That's why it's still showing that this pinning thing. Now I'll still go ahead and download it. For you to download this, you need to have Microsoft Office installed on your system, at least from 2010, and it's going to put this printer, that's the PDF printer, so that by the time you print it, it's going to convert it to PDF instead of printing it out through a printer. So make sure that when you click on print, the printer that it is set to is that Microsoft document PDF printer. Alright, or if you just want to print it out outright, you just select your printer. You know the name of your printer, maybe a DexJet or a LaserJet. Alright, so I'll go ahead and print my own. The printing will save it as a PDF document, and now I'll go ahead and locate it and open it. So this is the document. I'll go ahead and open it. I've successfully downloaded it to my system, so I've opened it now. You can see these are the details. So if you are following me closely and doing exactly what I'm doing, you should have gotten your business approved now. You should have been downloading your documents now. And what a joy to see that you can do this. Now this is very important skill you need to have, and believe me, you can begin to monetize immediately. Just begin to put the word out there that you can do this. Contact your friends that are also into business, show them the reason why they should get their business registered, and you are on your way to earning little income by the day. So I'll go back and download the certificate. Okay, that is the essence of all this tutorial. Our certificate is ready, so I'll click on download, and as you can see, it's taking a bit of time, but it has downloaded. Look at it at the bottom left corner of my computer. So I'll just open it so that you see it. Wow, that is it. That is the certificate. And if you must know that the Corporate Affairs Commission are not giving out hard copies of certificate again, all what you have is this. This is very valuable, and remember, if you misplace this, if you don't keep it well, and then you have to download it again after 7 days, you might have to pay a certain fee. Alright, so this is it. This is the name, this is the information, this is the certificate. It is done. Now I want to urge you, if you had any challenge in the process, okay, that didn't go well, probably you didn't understand it well, don't fail to reach out to us. I'll put our email address on the screen, and also our WhatsApp number. You can reach out to us, because if you paid for this course, then that means you must get absolute value. I'll take my time to put you through one-on-one. Wherever you had the issues, I'll help you sort it out. So don't be dismayed, okay? Know that we are a people-centric business. We are people. In fact, the essence for creating this business is so that entrepreneurs can be raised, so that jobs can be created, so that we can work together and grow faster. So that is it, guys. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next video. That is in part 2, where we'll get to register our tax identification number.